Talking about malaria alert, should you worry when visiting Brazil? From the Amazon rainforest to the coastal paradises, Brazil is a beautiful place to visit. But lurking around the corner is the concern for malaria. Now in this video, I'm going to break it down completely, everything you need to know about this topic. So I want you to stick around and watch it to the last end. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are yet to do. Alright, so just to start it properly, what is malaria? Malaria is actually a disease that is caused by a mosquito-borne parasite called falciparum. Okay, falciparum. So just like many tropical countries, it is sad to say that Brazil is actually home to malaria. Okay, however, depending on the region you are going to, the risk of malaria varies. Okay, now malaria is the burden of malaria in Brazil is actually in the northern part, in the Amazon rainforest region of Brazil. So if you're traveling, it is going to be towards the north. It is important that you listen and you take the preventive measure that I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so like I said, the risk of malaria varies from region to region. If you are going towards the coastal region, towards the south of Brazil, there is little or no malaria in these regions. Okay, so but if you are moving towards the northern part, if you're going to be studying or you're going to be doing a vacation in the northern part of Brazil, it is important that you either take the malaria prophylaxis, or you take vaccine, or you can also go with medication, prescribed anti-malaria medications. Okay, but the truth is that there is malaria in some part of Brazil. What are the preventive measures? Or the preventive measure, like I say, is to make sure that you take prophylaxis. You can also take anti-malaria drugs that are prescribed by the doctor, okay, when you're traveling to Brazil. Now, one thing that is crucial is that when you get to Brazil, especially if you're not in the north part that I said is prevalent, there's high prevalence of malaria. If you go to the hospital and you complain to them that it seems you're having symptoms of malaria, they'll probably not believe you, because they kind of believe that there is no malaria in this region. I'm talking from experience. Okay, but if you go to the northern part, they're going to carry out tests before they prescribe drug for you. And one thing I've seen so far, I stand to be corrected, about Brazil is that for you to buy drug, we ask for prescription. They won't just sell drugs for you. You do ask for your prescription. So it is important that you know all of this, so that you don't have to be moving from one, going through all kinds of stress. So if you want to travel to Brazil, it is important that you have this kind of information. There's actually malaria in Brazil, but it is towards some region. So if you are traveling to this region, make sure you go with drugs that are prescribed by your doctor. Also, you can also make sure that you go with mosquito repellents. Okay, the repellent that you can go with. You can also try, I'm talking about the preventive measures now, you can also try to reduce the bites. Make sure that there is mosquito net. You can travel with mosquito net, or you can fix nets into your windows. Okay, you can also try to avoid bites by this mosquito. These mosquitoes are usually active during dawn or dusk. Okay, they are usually active around this period. Okay, so make sure when you're about to go to sleep, you try to cover your body so as to reduce the bite of mosquito. Now another one, which is the last one I'm going to talk about, is an insecticide that you can use to spray your room when you get to Brazil. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumb up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I will see you in the next video.